Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I'm super excited about this one today. I saw one of my influencers on Instagram post this and I've been wanting one and I was gifted one. So let's open it up and see what you get. You get this bougie bag that it comes in, and then it comes wrapped with a bow. The bow is gorgeous. Okay, so let's keep going. So when you open it, again, the box, I mean, all of this is just so incredible. Okay, gonna get some cutlery in here. So true unboxing. Okay, let's see what we got. So these two things are on top. And you get cutlery. So we have forks and knives and we have spoons in here. Again, the packaging is next level amazing. Okay, even the styrofoam has like velvet on it. Bougie. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Okay. So I know I'm like probably too excited about this, but you guys, come on now. And it comes in a bag. I mean, I just can't. Okay. Look at it. She's beautiful. Let me clean off the table. Okay, let's look at this bag up close. This is gorgeous. And you have a drawstring. So you are going to be able to use this for something else. This is so highly polished. It is like a mirror. Okay, you have to take the tape off. Check this out. This is where you are going to store your flatware. Now, this part does come off. I wanted to show you what it looks like on the inside. And then this entire thing is stainless. And then we are going to get all of the flatware and arrange it. This is a service for 4. So you get these gorgeous knives. You get a dinner fork and a salad fork. And you get a teaspoon and a tablespoon. So this is what it looks like when everything is stored inside. So you can easily grab what you need. And then you're going to take the lid, which does have a little bit of weight to it, and put that on to store it. So let's take some close-up looks in different places. I know this is super fancy, but look how pretty this looks just next to my stove. This is great if you live in an apartment maybe that doesn't have a lot of space to treat yourself and have a gorgeous way to store your flatware. This looks like an art piece on my dining room table. You can leave this out all the time. It's going to keep your flatware clean and handy. There it is. If I'm having a meal, I just sit down and set my place setting. So you can get these in different variations. This is the 20-piece set. I love that you get everything that you need: salad fork, dinner fork, knife, tablespoon, and teaspoon. They look gorgeous and they are going to last for a very long time because these are forged stainless steel. Love this as a gift for you or someone you love. That unique Waterdrop shaped design is so pretty. I know you are going to love it. Check it out.